Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Stay Close is probably one of the most talked about thrillers of the year, weaving a complex web of secrets, lies, and unexpected connections that will keep you guessing until the very last page. If you're looking for a story that delves deep into the human psyche, exploring the lengths people will go to protect their families and their pasts, then this gripping narrative is an absolute must-read. Prepare to be captivated by its intricate plot and unforgettable characters. Number 5. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets Cooking Guide Booklet. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this all-in-one cookbook guide. It covers over 120 foods in 5 categories, making it easy to find cooking times and temperatures for everything you make. This cooking guide is waterproof, tear-proof, and simple to clean. It features a magnet for your fridge and a hook for easy hanging, ensuring quick access to all your air frying needs. Designed for both beginners and experienced cooks, it eliminates guesswork with clear, color-coded instructions. It includes both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings for your convenience. This guide is packed with essential tips, from steak doneness to dessert ideas. It's perfect for experimenting and achieving delicious, healthy results quickly. Compatible with most air fryer brands, this magnetic cheat sheet is a must-have accessory. It's ideal for healthy cooking and helps you achieve pro-level results faster. Simplify your daily meal prep and impress with perfectly cooked meals every time. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves to cook or is looking for time-saving kitchen solutions. What we like. This is your ultimate kitchen companion for mastering your air fryer. It provides quick cooking times and temperature references for over 120 foods. If you're new to air frying or a busy cook looking for time-saving solutions, this waterproof and durable guide is perfect for you. What people say. Has a magnetic back to hang on your fridge. Temperatures are given in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's readily available as I use the magnet to have it stick to the side of my refrigerator. Number 4. Vekkia Rechargeable LED Neck Reading Light. Discover the Vekkia Rechargeable LED Neck Reading Light, designed for ultimate reading comfort. It's perfect for book lovers, crafters, and anyone who needs focused light. Experience a comfortable fit with its ergonomic design. The adjustable neck and head let you direct the light perfectly, while advanced LED technology reduces eye strain for longer reading sessions. Enjoy your reading without disturbing others. This light creates a private reading zone, allowing you to read late into the night while keeping your partner undisturbed. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for use anywhere, from your bed to your travels. The rechargeable battery offers up to 40 hours of use on a single charge. Crafted with ultra-soft silicone, it provides maximum comfort for hours. Its ergonomic neck design fits perfectly, making it ideal for reading in bed, knitting, camping, or repairs. Your purchase includes the LED neck light, a USB Type-C cable, and a user manual. We stand by its quality with 24/7 service for your complete satisfaction. What we like. Experience comfortable, eye-friendly reading with this rechargeable neck light. Its design ensures you won't disturb others, making it ideal for late-night readers or those sharing a space. If you enjoy reading in bed, crafting, or any activity requiring hands-free light without causing eye strain, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is extremely bright and has multiple lighting settings. It is comfortable to wear and worked perfect for our daughter reading in bed. Super easy to use and love the color. Works great and lasts a long time between charges. The brightness can be adjusted and it does not have useless colored lights like the last one I ordered. This light solves that problem perfectly. It's bright enough for me, but discreet enough not to spill light across the whole room. The 3 brightness levels are just right for different settings, whether I'm reading, doing a bit of writing, or even sorting small items for a project. I also love that the flexible silicone arms let me angle the light exactly where I need it. Super versatile, whether you're reading in bed, crafting, or even walking around in low light. Number 3. Never forget men's cassette tape retro funny t-shirt. Remember the good old days? This t-shirt brings back the classic feel of cassette tapes and VHS. It's a fun way to show off your retro style. Are you a fan of music from the past? This shirt is perfect for anyone who appreciates the charm of old school tunes. Wear your love for retro music proudly. Get ready for smiles and compliments. This design is a humorous nod to a bygone era. It's a great conversation starter for any occasion. Enjoy ultimate comfort without sacrificing style. This t-shirt is made for everyday wear, keeping you looking and feeling great. It's the perfect blend of comfort and retro cool. Looking for a unique gift? Surprise a friend or family member with this nostalgic and funny t-shirt. It's an ideal present for birthdays or any special event. Celebrate your connection to the past. This shirt is a reminder of where music and style came from. Embrace the nostalgia and make a statement. What we like? Show off your love for classic music with this retro-themed t-shirt. It's a fun and nostalgic way to express your appreciation for the analog era. If you're a music enthusiast who enjoys a vintage aesthetic and a touch of humor, this shirt is a fantastic way to make a statement. What people say. Great quality product. Made of quality material. Does not fade or shrink in wash. True to fit. Exactly as advertised, size true to size and comfortable. Great buy. High quality printing, excellent quality shirt, held up well during the wash, minimum shrinkage. The shirts are well made and the customer service is first class. Number 2. Men's Funcle Graphic Novelty T-shirt. Are you looking for the perfect gift for your favorite uncle? This t-shirt is designed for the fun uncle, the one who's always up for an adventure. It's the ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Show your uncle how much you appreciate his fun-loving spirit. Featuring a unique graphic novelty design, this shirt is sure to bring a smile to his face. It's a fun way to celebrate the Funcle in your life. Made with comfortable fabric, it's perfect for everyday wear. He'll love the blend of humor and style this tee offers. This isn't just a t-shirt, it's a statement piece for the best uncles out there. Get yours today and make him the coolest Funcle around. What we like? This t-shirt is a fun and lighthearted gift for any uncle. It celebrates the unique and often humorous role of an uncle. If you're looking for a funny and memorable gift for your favorite uncle, this graphic tee is sure to bring a smile to his face. What people say. Very cute. Washed up well. True to size. The material was good quality for the price, and we had a great laugh when he opened it. He now wears it to my daughter's games, where it always brings smiles. A cute and fun gift, definitely recommended. The fit was true and it arrived in time for the big day. I got a bunch of positive comments, all of them delivered with a laugh when I removed my tie and shirt on the dance floor. Number 1. You read my shirt graphics tees. Tired of explaining yourself? Our tees say it all. Express your unique sense of humor without uttering a single word. These aren't your average t-shirts. They're designed for those who appreciate a good laugh and don't shy away from adult humor. Stand out from the crowd with our eye-catching novelty graphics. Each design is a conversation starter, guaranteed to get a reaction. Designed for men who know what they like. These tees offer comfort and style, with a dose of personality. Why waste your breath when your shirt can do the talking? It's the perfect way to communicate your mood or a witty remark. Looking for a unique gift? These sarcastic tees are ideal for friends or family who love to laugh. Give the gift of humor. What we like? Make a bold statement with this sarcastic and humorous t-shirt. It's designed for those who appreciate witty and adult-oriented humor. If you enjoy a good laugh and aren't afraid to show off your sarcastic side, this tee is the perfect way to express your personality. What people say. It's of great quality, both the print and craftsmanship. Plus, it's soft. It is printed on a mid-weight soft Gildan t-shirt. The print on it is crisp and bold. I have laundered it at least a dozen times and it hasn't shrunk or faded, and the print has completely maintained its integrity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.